Hi, I'm Anubhav Nair, chef and co-owner at Namaste Asia. Many restaurant owners ask me why their competitors earn more when they're probably serving the same quality food. And the answer to that, your competitor is probably making your customer feel like they're the king. And the major element to that process is the packaging. I think for Namaste Asia, it does, because it serves the purpose of portraying our individuality to the customer. Not only does it serve certain practical purposes, it also portrays the kind of feeling we want the customer to have when they receive our food in their house. We want them to have a certain experience that emulates fine dining and the best of that ability. Well, first and foremost, you need to use good quality containers. It needs to be airtight with a strong lid that doesn't pop off during transit. Secondly, your packaging should be designed according to those containers. Here at Namaste Asia, we've ensured that every single bag in which the food travels is designed to size for these specific containers. And also make sure that you don't fill those containers up to the brim, leave some breathing space in those boxes. And thirdly, and it's a very simple fix that everyone can adopt at the restaurant, is tape the circumference of the boxes. No matter how good your packaging might be, anything can happen in transit. Roads are rough, there's traffic. Go that extra mile and make that further effort for your customer so that the food reaches exactly how you want it to. Well, the most important thing that you need to keep in mind when you're packing your food is the weights. Heavy food needs to go at the bottom, lighter food has to go at the top. And you need to keep this in mind, because if you have heavier things on top and the lighter food at the bottom, by the time it reaches in transit, it'll be completely crushed. And at Namaste Asia, how we solve this problem is we have specially designed bags that match our packaging so that it stacks in a way that the heavier stuff only fits at the bottom and the lighter packaging only fits at the top of the bag. Well, at Namaste Asia, we have a very unique solution to this problem. We do not write our labels down. We have custom print labels for every dish with the veg non-veg symbol right next to it, so that when the customer receives their food, there is no confusion as to what is vegetarian, what is non-vegetarian, and what they have actually ordered and what it looks like. Pack your hot and cold items separately, and that goes without exception. Even if I get the smallest of orders, my sushi and my hot food will go separately, and that's period. No exceptions. I'm all for sustainable food packaging. I believe that if we don't make the switch now to either recycle plastics or upcycle paper products, we're gonna end up in the world that we live in. So pro tip, if you're planning on using sustainable packaging, make sure whatever material you use is above 300 GSM. If you're looking for sustainable packaging, go check out Hyperpure by Zomato. They have an extensive array of sustainable packaging materials, and it should help out solve all of your needs.